Put the once around. I think it's pretty much ready to go. See, we got the Cyclops light up in there. That joint is a truth. When it's on at night, I'm telling you. It's in park mode right now. Do a little walk back. I ain't did one of these in a minute. I ain't know the song. It said Chicago Freestyle. But it had a good vocal to it. So let's see what it do.
Baby, won't you meet me by the beach? Too early, maybe later, you could show me things. You know what it is whenever I visit. Windy city, she blowing me kisses, no. 30 degrees, way too cold, so hold me tight. Will I see you at the show tonight? Will I see you at the show tonight?
He said he wanted loud music, so.
Hey. Truck to the plane, to the truck to the hotel lobby. Me, I go through underground garages, presidential suites.
I think that's pretty acceptable.
To the room, shower up and then we hit the club. Touchdown, gotta see what's up. Area code in my phone. What numbers do I still have? Who do I know from the past? Hit one, she say she got a man. Hit another one, it goes green. Must have changed phones on the team. Remember when you let me in between? That was 2017. All good, chuck and look around. Find one to see my type. Then my dog, and he know what I like. He done found me plenty in my life. Problem is, I meet a girl tonight. Then I go and treat her too nice. Got a real credit card swipes. I don't even know if she a wife. But I do know one thing, though. Women, they come, they go. Saturday through Sunday, Monday through Sunday, yo. Baby, I'll love you one day. Baby, we'll someday grow. Till then, I'll sit my drunk ass on that runway, on this one way.
2:30, baby, won't you meet me by the beach? Too early, maybe later, you can
Our vocals on point.
You know what it is whenever I visit. Windy city, she blowing me kisses, no. 30 degrees, way too cold, so hold me tight. Will I see you at the show tonight? Will I see you at the show tonight?
Jury in the safe on arrival. Pistol on Jay for survival. A lot of people gunning for the title. A lot of people trying to take us viral. I was trying.
Yeah, I think we're good to go. My name's Car Trail. We out here on to the next one. Oh, let's see if it starts up. What do you know? That weak ass battery. What's up, man? But guess who's back? It's climbing back up, as it should. Hit the gas one time. Yeah. Next. Check 1, 2.